When it comes to managing weight, finding a convenient and effective meal replacement can make a significant difference. One popular choice among those looking to shed pounds is Optifast Milkshake. This product is part of a comprehensive weight management program designed to help individuals achieve their weight loss goals in a healthy and structured manner. What is Optifast Milkshake? Optifast Milkshake is a meal replacement shake specifically formulated for weight loss. It is part of the Optifast program, which is clinically proven to help with weight reduction and management. Each serving of the milkshake is designed to provide balanced nutrition while offering fewer calories than a typical meal. This makes it easier for users to create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. What are its key features and benefits? One of the key features and benefits is nutritional balance. Optifast Milkshake is formulated to deliver essential nutrients that your body needs, even while you're consuming fewer calories. Each shake contains a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals to ensure you receive a well-rounded nutritional profile. Another benefit is convenience. The shakes are quick to prepare, making them an ideal option for busy individuals who may not have time to cook or prepare balanced meals throughout the day. Another key feature is taste and variety. Optifast Milkshake comes in several flavors, allowing users to choose the ones they enjoy most. This variety helps to keep the weight loss process enjoyable and less monotonous. Another feature is that it is clinically proven. The Optifast program, including its milkshake, has been tested in clinical settings and has shown effectiveness in supporting weight loss. This adds a layer of credibility and trust for those who are considering incorporating it into their weight management plan. How to incorporate Optifast Milkshake into your diet? Integrating Optifast Milkshake into your daily routine can be straightforward. Here are some tips to make the most of this meal replacement. 1. Replace 1 or 2 meals. Depending on your weight loss goals and caloric needs, you can replace 1 or 2 meals per day with Optifast Milkshake. Ensure that you are still consuming a balanced diet with healthy snacks and possibly 1 regular meal to meet your nutritional needs. 2. Combine with exercise. For optimal results, combine the milkshake with a regular exercise routine. Physical activity not only helps with weight loss, but also improves overall health and well-being. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Water can also help to keep you feeling full and reduce the temptation to snack. 4. Consult a professional. Before starting any new weight loss program, including Optifast, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and goals. Some potential considerations. While Optifast Milkshake can be a helpful tool for weight loss, it's essential to be aware of a few considerations. 1. It is not a long-term solution. Optifast Milkshake is designed to be part of a broader weight management program. It is not intended for long-term use as a sole source of nutrition. Once you reach your weight loss goals, it's important to transition to a balanced diet with a variety of whole foods. 2. Possible side effects. Some users may experience digestive changes when starting meal replacement shakes. If you have any concerns or experience discomfort, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider. Optifast Milkshake is a practical and effective tool for those looking to manage their weight through meal replacement. With its balanced nutritional profile, convenience, and proven effectiveness, it can support your weight loss journey when used correctly. Looking for an alternative to Optifast Milkshake? Check out our recommended product by clicking the link in the description box or pinned comment below this video.